Hey Spy Ninjas, in the last video, this mystery guy named Mr. E gave us a bunch of instructions how to do all these reactions, and then it revealed a map on this paper that we got from the city.
We revealed that one of the locations has a 9 on it, so we think PZ9 has to go there. And then the other location has a 4 on it, so we think that PZ4, Regina, has to go there.
We might figure out who our parents are, who our family is.
And Daniel, it might reveal something about your family or your dog even. Yeah, I hope so.
Since there are 2 locations, I think we should split the teams up. Daniel and Regina in one team, Chad, V, and Melvin in one team.
Let's go.
I'm so excited for this field mission, yeah!
Wait a second, if you're gonna go on a Spy Ninja mission, Melvin, you need to wear some Spy Ninja merch.
All right, are you gonna do that quick change?
You ready?
Let's do it!
3, 2, 1. Whoa! Yeah! All right, so we're getting close to Fort Apache, and
phone.
What? Your phone's ringing?
Yes, phone ringing.
Whoa.
An unknown number again.
Unlisted. Hello?
Hello, Qwaint.
It's Mr. E.
You reached the first location. It's a work of art. Now find the clues quickly to find the end of start.
What does that mean? Because when you start something, that's when you begin something. So what does he mean, the end of start? Are you still there?
Hello?
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 Oh gosh, what's with this guy and these riddles, you know?
Maybe it's food. He wants us to look for a tart.
Or maybe you take off the S and then you take off the T and you get art.
An art building? Is that what this is? What is this? There's a big, huge, round cylinder building.
Maybe it's Project Zargo's training facility.
Oh man.
It is black and gray. Let's approach with caution, you guys. We don't know if this is a trap or not.
Wait a second, this isn't a Project Zorgo facility. This is a library.
Ah, what a boring mission. I should have went with Dan.
PZ9, no. We're gonna find out all this amazing information in here that's gonna lead us to maybe your past, my past, V's past, who knows?
Maybe our family tree is located in here. We can find a book about all our families.
Yeah, but in order to figure all that out, that means we gotta read.
Seriously, you're complaining about reading, PZ9?
Art gallery.
Art gallery. Art gallery. That's where we need to be. That's a colorful cow.
Wow, it's utterly spectacular.
Whoa. Here's the art gallery.
Is this Halong Bay from Vietnam?
California.
Oh, I'm trying to make all these clues about me for some reason.
I don't get art.
PZ9, it's your girlfriend.
We haven't talked in a long time, but I know she still thinks of me.
You guys are exactly alike.
She's from Laos.
Oh.
This is like the worst art I've ever seen. It's just paper and a thermostat.
I don't think this is art, you guys. I think this is the clue that he was talking about.
So that means I can touch it then.
Yes.
I was made to help you eat.
Knowledge.
Can you read?
Have you been to the library before?
No, and I've never been to an art gallery before, and I've never gone on a solo mission with just Chad and V.
There's a lot of firsts for you today.
I was made to help you eat knowledge and be a bookworm.
What does that even mean?
Looks like we're gonna have to get into riddle solving mode.
Why is this clue in blue and green? Look, if you just take out all the blue, the green just stands out to me. I made you eat a worm.
Who made you eat a worm, PZ9?
None other than PZ161.
That's gotta be the answer to this riddle. PZ161.
If we're headed into a library, who knows what 161 could mean?
Let's look for like 161. There's gotta be a book with the number 161 on it or something like that. Now don't forget, we're in the library, so we gotta be extremely quiet, okay? I don't know what this hacker 161 has anything to do with being in the library, but we gotta find 161 books.
Do we have to read 161 books?
That's gonna be a long video.
The hard part for me is keeping quiet.
Yeah, we know about that. You're like the loudest person I've ever met.
That's you.
You guys better not get us kicked out due to your volumes.
We're not the ones you gotta worry about, PZ9.
We'll see about that.
You know what, guys? I've actually never done an ASMR video before. This is not meant to be one, but it kind of feels like one. Now that I have to talk in a loud whisper. My goodness. Do you guys go to the library a lot? I know when I was younger, I went to the public library all the time. I borrowed a ton of books, learned a bunch of stuff. This is where I went before YouTube. You know what I mean? This is YouTube in book form.
Something to do with 161. Hey, look at this book with a nice little pony on it. Oh, I'll take this. Oh. Quit trying to make me laugh. We gotta be quiet.
Sorry.
Okay, Chad, I'm gonna go down this aisle right here.
Yeah.
Learn some wit and humor, you know?
But V, you've got plenty of wit and humor.
See, I have no comeback for you. I have nothing to say.
Okay, study up.
All right.
PZ9.
I'm gonna scare me.
161. Do you guys see something? Oh. That was, what is Chad doing? That was Chad, right? Or was that PZ9? Shh. You're supposed to be quiet.
I know, I'm trying to make you laugh.
Why? You're trying to get us kicked out of here or what?
Oh, we probably shouldn't do that until we solve all the clues, I guess. Okay.
161.
Wait a second. Where'd PZ9 go? Oh no, did we lose him?
What's he doing? Why is he acting so weird? Have you even been to the library before, PZ9?
All the time.
We gotta find 161. I think it should be over here.
162.
Oh, it's 162. Wait, that's 160.
It's locked.
161. This is gonna be it. Oh, room capacity 4. Oh, thankfully there's only 3 of us.
Good. Nice. I'm glad we could be a little bit louder out here. It's way too quiet out in the library.
Yeah, it's kind of creepy. Wait. What's this? Oh my gosh, this has got to be why we're here. Look at this. What are things you can put in your pocket that keeps it empty? Spy Ninjas, if you know the answer to this riddle, leave a comment down below. If you put something in your pocket, it's no longer empty then.
What about like credit card or something? Because if you have a lot of debt in your pocket, you really don't have any money.
Oh, the play on word. No money, empty pockets.
You still would have a credit card in your pocket, so technically it's not empty.
Yeah. And we would be at a bank then, not a library, right?
We are in a library right now. What's in a library?
Books.
So this riddle has got to lead to a book of some sorts, right?
Yeah, I think so.
They have DVDs and magazines and CDs here too.
Well, that's why we better split up then.
All right, let's split up.
All right, there's so many different books here. I've never been surrounded by so many books. I need to solve that riddle first before I start wasting time looking around for one book. Botanical Shakespeare, perhaps? What you can put in your pockets to make it lighter, or to keep them empty. I wish I took a picture of that note.
This clue, it's not really helping me with this. But, you know, I do see Ariana right here. I'm sporting a high ponytail also. I don't know how she wears that all the time because it really hurts. It like gives me a headache. All right, guys, that we're in the library, gotta focus on books. Maybe some of these DVDs will help me. You know, maybe it's a book, maybe it's a movie. Am I getting closer to solving this clue at all? I'm not quite sure. Or am I in the DVDs for the wrong reason? Maybe I should just go straight to the book. Am I gonna crash? Or do I need to crawl to figure out my clue? Is there someone in here? I look so ridiculous, you guys. I'm in public right now and crawling in the library. What am I even doing right now? What is even my life right now? I started a new year. It's year 2020 now. I was hoping for a fresh start, but I can't. I'm back to solving these random clues. I don't even know what I'm looking for. Am I looking for this DVD right here? The whole story. Do you know what that means? Oh, that's the clue. That's it. That's the thing that you can put in your pocket that keeps it empty. If there's a hole in your pocket, everything will fall out. There is a movie called Holes. It's actually based on a book.
Hey, getting a call from V. What's up, V? Any luck on figuring out the riddle?
The clue is holes.
It's holes.
Yeah, you gotta go look for the book Holes. You gotta figure out how to library, man.
I know a way to find it.
Okay, I'll see you back in that room.
All right, good luck. I'll see you. I'm gonna use the information station to try and search up what I'm looking for. The answer to the riddle is holes. So using the catalog, I can find they have a DVD of the movie and the book. Now all I gotta do is just find out where they have it. Yes. Is this it? This has gotta be it. I'm gonna bring this back to Chad and V, and we'll see what this is all about.
Did you find it?
Did you find the book?
Yes! Holes!
Okay. You found the book now. What does this mean? Okay, I see a heart. I see some writing.
KB. Okay.
It's just a regular book.
Whoa! What the? Look at this. What does that mean?
A treasure hunt? Maybe it's coordinates.
But no, it says page on it, so it can't be coordinates. What is this, Chad?
You know what this is? This is the Dewey Decimal System, I think.
What is that?
What?
I don't know. It's the way that libraries index their books. It's so you can find things easily. So I just gotta go find the book that has these numbers on it, and I'll bring it back here. I know how to do it. I used to go to the library back in the day.
Wow.
Oh, before there were computers and stuff?
I'm not that old, okay? I'll be right back.
Remember to keep it down out there. Don't get too excited.
Okay, yeah, guys. So all these books here have all these numbers, as you can see, and that allows you to find the book that you need. So I'm pretty close to where I need to be here. 1625. All of these books here start with 1625. See, 1625, 1625, and then ends in 1989. Wait a second, look at this one, guys. Right here. This is the Oxford English Dictionary. Okay, this has gotta be what I'm looking for.
While Chad's trying to figure out that note, I wanted to give an apology.
Apology? For what? What'd you do?
For all the betrayals I've done in December and not making it easy for the team to agree with one another.
You were trying to break the Spy Ninjas apart. Now that you're part of the Spy Ninjas, do you think you're gonna stay?
This is the best gig I've had in a while.
You really mean it. You really feel bad for all the bad things that you did to us. And I accept your apology.
Oh, Chad's here.
Guys, check this out. Look what I found.
Oh, this is a big book.
It's the Oxford English Dictionary, and it lines up exactly with this.
How? Where does it even say anything?
Let's go to page 680. It's 80. Page 680. All right, now it says column 3.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Third column, and then, wait, here's the first bold word.
Philippine.
Wait, what's the Philippine? What is Philippine?
It has to be something with my nationality.
What?
Filipino.
Wait, you're Filipino?
Regina's Filipino too.
Am I? I'm just kidding. I'm Vietnamese.
What does this note have to do with anything?
Maybe this validifies that you're both Filipino, so that means you're related.
Do you think they're finding clues like this too?
Maybe these are clues leading to your family and learning about your history.
Then what's the next step? We gotta find out more. This is exciting. Whoever thought going to the library and doing a scavenger hunt was gonna be this much fun?
I did.
Wait, are you only having fun because this is about you, PZ9?
Well, maybe. But it can't be all loud and obvious about it like usual. It's really hard to keep your volume down.
Now that we know that you're actually Filipino, what do we do now?
I mean, there's gotta be more in here or something, right? There's so many pages. It worked last time.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, it's like a book.
Whoa!
Oh no.
First, the person in disguise who deals in secrets and lies.
Wait a second.
Is that me?
There's a lot of secrets about your past.
This is about you.
But now, you are a spy ninja. This clue means spy.
So the first sentence of that riddle means spy, someone who goes in disguise and has to deal with secrets and lies.
Next, what's the last thing to mend? The middle of middle and end of end. That's a lot tougher than the first one.
In the middle of the word middle is a D. There's 2 D's. And then at the end of the word end is another D. So the answer to that is the letter D. So first we have spy, and then we have D.
Finally, the sound often heard when searching a hard-to-find word.
When I can't think of a word, I'm usually like,
I say,
I've even heard some people go, "Durr."
Well, wait, what was that?
Durr.
Isn't that the answer?
Yeah, der.
Good job, PZ9. You solved it.
Oh, okay, that's the answer.
Spy, and then D, and then der. Put it all together, spider.
And then the last thing written is the next place to look is inside this hero's comic book.
You know what this is.
Wait, I thought this was about you, Melvin. Is this becoming about me now? Because Spider-Man is my favorite comic book superhero.
It's also a poster in Regina's room.
So it's about Regina, Melvin, and Chad?
We're all intertwined in this,
Yeah.
maybe more than Spider-Man's webs even.
Wait a minute. This is very familiar. In Harry Potter, he has to answer something very similar to this.
Oh,
And
yeah.
you know, Harry Potter is one of the posters that's in Regina's room.
Yeah, just like Spider-Man.
I have no idea about this Mr. E guy and why he's so interested in me and Regina. Let's follow this clue to the next one then.
Do libraries have comic books? I don't think so.
Yeah, they have everything, Chad. You can
Really?
even like rent video games here.
To the Spider-Man comic books!
Chad, no.
Wow.
You get overly excited when you're around comic books. Let's send the quietest spy ninja to do this job, okay? That's me.
Oh man, I want to go to the Spider-Man comic books, but yeah, you're right. I get a little excited about Spider-Man comic books because I have over 3,000 in my collection. I have a huge Spidey collection.
I know all about it. I heard it on the first day we've met.
I'll have to tell you that story, PZ9. Good luck with the Spidey comics, V. You'll find it.
Yes. Now I'm in the S's. Spider-Man and Deadpool. Interesting. These are the only 2. Okay, I'm just gonna bring both of these back.
So when I first met V, right, I was like, wow, that is a good looking girl. I want to go talk to her. I said, hey V, how would you like to see my Spider-Man comic book collection? And you know what she said? Sure. Yes! And that's when we started dating, right there.
Oh, wow.
Good story, huh?
Yeah, weird flex, but okay.
Right, guys, I got the comic books.
You did?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Oh yeah, I already have these, it's fine. There must be another clue in these books.
Did he tell you about his awesome pickup line?
Of course.
He did. I might have to use it sometime.
Oh yeah, I probably should sit here and read the whole comic book, right? I should be looking for a clue, right?
Yes.
These are cool.
Yeah, man, look at this artwork. Comic books are awesome.
So, what about the clues?
Oh yeah, back to clues. Oh, well, last time there would be things inside. Oh, whoa, jeez, drop the comic. We gotta keep these in mint condition, Melvin. What's this? Why is this in a comic book?
There's a number 4 on the back of this.
What, you recognize this picture?
What? What's going on?
Nah, it's just some little kid or something.
You don't look too sure.
It's with your face. What's going on here? PZ9. Melvin.
We gotta go. We gotta get out of here, guys.
What? No, where are you going? Wait, come back. Wait, where are you? Melvin, get back here. Get back here. What was it?
Throw this. Oh, okay, he stopped.
What?
I was about to do a backpack attack on you.
I'm glad you didn't, because I'm already messed up right now.
What do you mean?
First, we get a call from this unknown stranger who tells us to come here to the library. Then we find clues about myself hidden in the books. How cryptic is all of this?
Wait, did you say a clue about yourself in a book? So that picture of the little boy is you?
Yes.
Wait, how do you know that though? I thought you lost all your memories.
You get that feeling. When you see a picture of yourself, you just know it's you. It's gotta
called
be.
woman's intuition.
Yes, you must have it.
I have it too.
Oh my gosh, PZ9, if you finding this clue out about yourself, that means Daniel and Regina must be finding clues about themselves too. Oh my gosh, we gotta meet up with them to see what they find out about themselves. Thank you so much to all you spy ninjas who show up whenever I post a brand new video in the first 60 minutes. I'm showing your comments right here. Make sure to subscribe to me, to Chad. Who are you again? Oh, Melvin! The next video is gonna be on Daniel's channel, EPZ. So let's do a kick bump out. See you guys next time.
Kick bump!